Good morning, Steve Chase here, and I want to talk to you about mindset and focus today. Now, those are two words that people love to talk about, but then also people like to avoid, and they like to talk about it, but they'll avoid doing it. This comes mostly from the fact that this week, my friend Arun launched a nice big 25 article pack of PLR on online marketing for senior citizens, and my bonus was to go through and create voiceovers of every article so that the people who bought through my link would be able to take that voiceover and easily create a video version of the article. Because even though people like to read, they also like to watch videos. We're sort of funny that way. And I went back, and because I had to do the voiceovers, I also had to go through and actually read every article, like read it, not just scan it, because obviously I had to literally read every single word, record it on my microphone, make the audio, blah, blah, blah. That's a lot of reading. And I think a lot of people who have bought that, it was $7 for all 25 articles, which is an amazing deal, by the way. But most people, I think, the mindset is, ooh, it's all these articles. It's only $7. I have all these possibilities. They spend the $7. Maybe they buy, some upgrades. And then it goes on the hard drive or doesn't even get downloaded. And then the next thing comes up. So the mindset needs to be, what are you doing for your business? And then once you actually spend a little money, what are you doing with that investment? Because even if it's only $7, it's still, you've invested $7 in your business. So now you need to take that and at minimum, turn that $7 into something. At least make that money back. Whether you put the articles on a blog, or you create a squeeze page based on an article, or create them into something that you can give away as a freebie so that people will sign up and eventually, and that's the long game. That's something that you just don't do in a weekend and then make all your money and then call it a month. And the other thing is focus too. I mean, sometimes focus is hard. You try to sit down with 25 articles, let alone read them for yourself. But it's like I spent yesterday doing a good chunk of them. I've done them over the last couple days because in a couple days I have to deliver them and then I move on to my next project. But it's a lot of work. And the thing is online marketing and making money online, it takes a lot of work. It's not as easy as I spilled coffee. It's not as easy as people make it out to be. So when you're going out there and you see these nice flashy products they're selling at $7, $10 that just have a number like, oh, I made $2,379 or $79.23 because you got to have the cents in there, in one campaign. A lot of times that's best case scenario. So, plus also with focus, yesterday I live in the Chicago, Illinois area, and the Chicago Bears, my favorite football team, traded for a huge player, and they gave away a lot, and they're going to pay this guy more money than I'll ever see in 10 lifetimes. And so the news was all about this new guy, Khalil Mack. Oh, it's a Mack attack and all this stuff. And while all that was going on, I was still having to sit here, read article after article, recording, audio after audio. Sometimes you have to focus, you have to work hard, and you have to have mindset. So it's very important. It's very important to do that. So if nothing else today, try to figure out what your mindset is. What are you trying to do? Set a goal, even a daily goal. Sometimes, you wake up in the morning and you need to have a goal for the day so that you accomplish something. You need to know, in a 9-to-5 job, you show up at 9, you go home at 5, where the job starts and ends. But when you're working for yourself or you're working online as an online marketer, there is no on and off. It's too easy to become working all the time. And you could literally be working all the time. And the truth is, most people go into online marketing and doing this kind of stuff because they don't want to work all the time. Yet when they do it, they are. It's crazy. So I want to wish you a good day. I hope mindset and focus is something that you could think about today and going forward into the rest of the week. And we'll catch you in another video. Thanks.